This is not a $25 mascara. What? What? Hey guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss, and this is Boxy Charm December 2022. Yeah, if you're new here, hey, hi, hit subscribe. I'm here for you to help give your look a kiss. If you're liking what you're seeing, give me a kiss, give me a like, subscribe, share, comment. We'll have a little conversation. We'll do all the stuff and things. Subscription packages, they're great. They're awesome. Why? Why? For one low price, we're talking less than $30 a month, I get 5 full-size products. This means I get to try top-tier products without, you know, spending a ton of money and being like, oh great, now I'm stuck with this product that I just spent $100 on. I also am never really out of anything. It's like, oh no, I'm out of this, and then boop, it shows up. Isn't that great? Sometimes it's even in the right shade for me. And that we love. The other benefit is I get to try all of the trending products for the season, again, for one low price. So when we look at these products, we're gonna think of the 3 Ps. We're gonna think of our packaging. We're gonna look at it and go, are the instructions comprehensible and clearly labeled? Is it sealed nicely for my protection? And is it alluring? The second thing we're gonna look at, the second P, is gonna be the price point. Our quality versus quantity. Or am I paying for a name, or am I actually getting a product that is good? The third P we're gonna look at is practicality. Is this product right for me? Is this a product based on my skin needs, my hair needs, my specific makeup style? Is this gonna be right for me? And is this something I'm gonna purchase going forward? Let's break into this box. All right, so let's start at the left. Murad Resurgence Retinol Youth Renewal Eye Serum. I typically love Murad products. The price point's always good. The product is always great ingredients. I like this packaging. It's simple, it's to the point, it's gonna tell me everything I need. Ingredients clearly labeled, and then even on the inside of the packaging, this is kind of cool. On the inside of the packaging, we have all of that information in different languages. So, kind of an inclusive product, I think, to have multiple languages on there. And then we have mixed recycling on the packaging. Love to see it. PETA approved. And this product is good for 6 months after opening. If you ever want to know what this little symbol is, this little open container with a number and an M, that's how many months after opening this product is still supposed to be good for. So let's check her out. This is 0.5 fluid ounces. What are they trying to do? $89 for less than an ounce? I don't know about that, guys. I don't know. Let's see. It's lightweight. Smells very fresh. Oh, and it gets kind of liquidy when you start working with it. I expected more of like a cream, like it would stick in place, but all right. My eyes. I like the feel of it going on. Eyelids. Avoid actual contact with my eyes. Pat, 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 using our ring fingers. I don't know. As much as I like the feel of this product, I'm like, $89 for half an ounce has me a little, ooh, I don't know. All right, it's gonna get an all right from me right now. I'm not gonna give it a big thumbs up, but not feeling very practical for me. Next up, now that we have an eye serum on, let's check out the Triple Fix Full Coverage Brightening Concealer that was sent. It is by LYS Beauty. and they sent me the color LP4. I like the packaging. It's very simple, 0.174, and it's an $18 concealer. So that's actually a pretty good price point for a concealer. I'm with that. $18, cool. Let's see. Is it my shade? Let's find out. Oh no, I don't think this is my shade. I'm just gonna put it under there. Maybe both sides? Did we do both sides today? Let's check her out. I am nervous about this shade. It is very yellow for my complexion. Let's blend it in. See what's up. Gonna use a little setting spray on a concealer brush. I don't know if I like, it's a very liquidy concealer. I tend to like something a little more creamy, stick. Maybe the yellowness is to combat the purple under my eyes. Maybe it's a little bit of color correcting. That is pretty yellow. I feel like I went from having bruised looking eyes to having like healing bruised looking eyes. I go more porcelain, more alabaster than something so, well, I guess it looks nice on the camera, I guess. I don't know, let me sit with it for a second. Or rather, let's check out our next product, which is the Real Her Set Your Goals setting powder. Love the packaging from this company. This is the Blurring Veil setting powder. And she retails for the Real Her $25. I don't know, like my big thing of setting powder was like $28, $30. So $25 for 8 grams. Let's see how far it stretches. Honestly, it looks a little orangey to me, which still has me nervous. But let's give her a fair shot. Got my little setting powder brush. I feel like I just look yellow. Just really, really yellow. Yeah, I feel like I just look yellow. Now, I like the consistency of this powder and I like the application. I like how soft it is. Maybe just not my shade, I think. I don't know, like I've got like an Oompa Loompa thing going on.
Oompa Loompa dee doo, I've got a perfect puzzle for you.
So as much as I like the feel of this powder, I'll take a translucent setting powder over something tinted. Is still really good for what it is. Next up from Boxy, we're gonna check out the Lawless One and Done Mascara. Here's what I'm gonna say about this in packaging. It looks cheap. This is a $25 mascara. It looks like a $8 mascara. I'm not the biggest fan of these kind of spoolies. They just look like weirdo caterpillars to me. This looks more like a, you know those weird like gel earrings people wore in like the 90s that had like little spikes coming off it? It looks like that. And I don't know how I feel about that, but let's give it a swipe. Oh no. There is a lot going on in this mascara. And I mostly feel like, ooh, this would be a chunky build. So you kind of do have to get that. Swipe right on the first go because this is just giving me spider clumpiness. See if I can maybe do it better on the other side. I'm not feeling like I'm seeing full, long, glorious, luxurious lashes. I'm seeing gunky, cakey, fiery, lawless. You are truly lawless. This is not the mascara for me. I don't know if I would keep using this even, I certainly wouldn't purchase this on my own. That's a no for me. There's a lot of no coming out of this box this month. But this is why we do these subscription package reviews. This is why we do it. So we all are informed, we are all educated, and we don't run off and spend $25, $18. I have high hopes for our 5th product. Our 5th product is the Vito Yellow Fresh Cleanser by La Palette Beauty. Okay, already I'm like nervous to open this, but hey, maybe it'll get the yellow off my face, right? One-step cleanser helps to make your skin shine and glow by delivering vitality and energy to tired skin. So this has aqua ceramide, which is supposed to create like a skin barrier against whatever. Directions are clear. I like the packaging. I like how simple and fresh it is. I like the look of the product out of the package. This has a 12-month shelf life after you open this, so you're already getting me on the packaging with this one. Cool, this might be a product for me. I'm always looking for something a little more moisturizing for my skin. Let's get weird. Let's try this. Let's look at the price point. $32 for 3.38 fluid ounces. We're gonna work this into a lather. Are you sealed for my protection? Yeah, you are. Love that. Let's work you up into a lather. Ooh, fun consistency. It's like a jelly. It's, ooh, she's thick. Very thick, rich lather with this face wash, which has me feeling good. It has me feeling like it's actually gonna cling to what's on my face and get it off, you know? Oh my goodness. I feel like I'm about to wash my face with lemonade. It is so citrusy and fresh smelling. Yeah, it really does cling to the face. This isn't like a super heavy face wash. I'm here for it. Oh, she's so fresh. I think this is one I can get behind. I like this. I like this a lot. My skin doesn't feel dried out. It just feels fresh. Just like, oh. This is the win. This is the win this month, Boxy. Boxy December, 1 out of 5 has me stoked. So thank you guys so much for joining me while we reviewed the December 2022 Boxy Charm subscription. If you're liking what you're seeing, subscribe, share, comment. Visit me on social media. I'm there. Facebook and Instagram, Give Your Hair a Kiss. You can also check me out at giveyourhairakiss.com while you're there and happen to find yourself in the New York City area. You can book an appointment with me, Kiss, here in the kissing booth. We will have a great time. But until next time, guys, give your hair a kiss.